Fabulous floor plan in this full brick ranch in popular Liberty Park. 4 bedrooms/3 full baths, hardwoods, 9 ceilings and Crown Mldg. Wonderful large great room with fireplace opens to breakfast room and kitchen. Sunroom is so inviting, truly enjoyed year-round. Master suite has great closet, double vanities, separate shower and tub. Did we mention the laundry room? Awesome. Tankless water heater and sprinkler system. Add all this up in award-winning Goldsmith-Schiffman School District and you have an amazing opportunity for this community. Call for a private viewing today.